Yo, what's going on, everyone? Trippy Mike here, and bringing you guys a one box break today of 2021 Bowman Chrome. Haven't gotten a chance to break any of this yet, so I'm a little excited to see what I get out of this box. Brings one master box, brings two autos, one auto in each mini box. That's how it's supposed to be. So let's see what I get here, see if I have any luck. I'm gonna glove up for this just in case. Got my top loaders here ready to go, just in case I get anything really nice here. You never know with Bowman. Got into a few breaks of it earlier this year and hit a couple nice cards. Alright, so here we go. Bowman Chrome 2021. Got our box here. Got our two minis. Alright, first one we're gonna alright, let's see what we got here. Let's see, box empty. Here, so 6 packs in each box. All right, let's see what we got here. Love Bowman Chrome. It's one of my favorite products. Get in for pretty good prices before they blow up. You know how these prices are nowadays. Get a price, or get a box now for a price of around $250. These are going for maybe a little more, $200 to $300 range. You can get them. I won this one for around, $210 price range, but they're going for $250 now. All right, let's see. So get yourself a pretty nice card for not a bad price. All right, you got your Melina, Kurloff rookie. Ooh, nice Wander Franco here. Wander. Bowman Ascensions. That's nice. See what else we got here. Let's see. Blanco, Quero, that's a good one. Brian Reynolds. Ooh, nice little Vlad there. Little Vladdy. And we got here Tyler Keenan. Don't know how much his stuff is going for, if it's any good, whatever. We will find that out. Okay. Starlin Aguilar. Do not know. Malcolm Nunez. Juan Soto. Pete Alonso out of 250. Jordan Walker. Cool looking card. Zach Veen. Jeter Downs. Geraldo Perdomo. Who everybody is. Ed Howard. Groshans. Maya. Patino. Rookie. Spencer Howard rookie. Another Wander Franco. It's a nice card. Nice card. Couple Wanders. Mick. Oh shoot. We got a little Mick Abel. Matthew Libertor. Rick Burra. Kybert Ruiz. Not bad. Just sleeve these up. See what else we got here. Only one color card there. Sort of lacking, but hopefully this next box has something nice in it here. Let's see what we got. Empty box. Alright, I'm gonna open this one pack by pack. Sort of the old school method. Jesus Sanchez rookie. It's nice. Tyler Stevenson rookie. Asa Lacey. And Blaze Jordan. Nate Pearson rookie. Sam Huff rookie. Reed Detmers summer camp. Jason Dominguez, nice little card there, and a CJ Abrams. All right, sleeve all those up, not bad. I think that's got the auto. So we'll save that for last. Oh, we got some color here, yeah. Jesus Luzardo. Francisco Alvarez, Adley Rutschman, and what do we got here? CJ Abrams out of 125. Nice. Not a bad one here. Let's leave this up. Not a bad one. Nice card there. All right, so there. Jose Ramirez. Oh, we got a redemption here. Redemption here. What do we got? What do we got? Whoa, 40-man futures autograph. What is that? What is that? Austin Martin. Okay. Okay, I'll take that. Not bad. Okay. Let's see what we got here. These last two packs. Maybe that's not an auto, and it's just a thicker card, some color. Oh, shoot, we got a purple here. Bryce Harper, JD Martinez, Ho-Yun Chun, Eduardo Garcia, nice first Bowman there. Let's sleeve that up. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice card here. Carlos Colmenares. This is a PC item for me as I collect Rays. And this is a nice card here. Very nice. Happy about this one. I was wondering if this guy was going to pop up in my box here. Out of 250. Nice card. This was a little Rays box. Some Wander Franco's in there. Tel Marte, Kyle Lewis, Hunter Green, Nick York. Who we got here? Wilman Diaz. First Bowman Speckle. Or, I don't know what you call this. Nice card either way. Some, I guess you could say print lines going on there. I don't know what you want to call that. Nice card either way. Not a bad box here. Not a bad box. All right. Let me go over. Let me finish everything here. Let me just show you the hits I got here. Austin Martin, Blue Jays 40-man Futures autograph. Cool. Cool one there. Tyler Keenan, first Bowman auto. Wilman Diaz, first Bowman Shimmer. Carlos Colmenares out of 250, first Bowman. CJ Abrams out of 125. Nice one there. Wander Franco, Refractor, Summer Camp. Wander Franco, Bowman Ascensions. CJ Abrams and Garcia. Got some other ones here I'm going to sleeve up as well. But those were the nicer hits of the box. Not bad. Not bad at all. Well, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Hopefully I can bring you guys some more box breaks here. This was just a personal for me. I might end up selling, selling these, maybe grading something here. We'll see. But, yeah, it was a fun box break, and thanks for joining. And be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, stay trippy.